you want to quit your job or you want to live a free life with more time. Your objective is to go to point B, but you need to know that point A to point B is not gonna be like this. It's not gonna be like easy as you think, alright? Always it's gonna have up and down, up and when you think that shit don't work and you are very tilted, is when you need to put more work to finally get profitable and live full-time trading. So as I say, the first thing, you're gonna have your life in check. If you really want to learn trading, bro, you're gonna need to sacrifice almost everything in your life and create a new one. You need to sacrifice your old life to live your new life, alright? So first point, you're gonna go to the gym, you're gonna quit parties, you're gonna quit smoking, and you quit following pussies, bro. And you're gonna get a job and you're gonna focus on yourself, 100% yourself, be selfish. And with the time, bro, you're gonna understand why this is so important. And after you have all this on check, you're gonna start touching some things of trading, alright? Don't try to rush, take your time, go slow, because it takes a lot of effort. And point 2, you're gonna download MetaTrader 5. What is MetaTrader 5? It will be all the links on the description, but it's simple. You're gonna click on download, you download. It's basically the platform where you can place trades, when you can buy or you can sell depending on the market structure. One time that you have MetaTrader 5, you just need to come there and you're gonna search EU Euro USD, and then you're gonna search GBP and you're gonna double click and you're gonna click on accept. After that, you're gonna come here on files again, open new account, here meta quotes. Next, you're gonna click on demo. Next, you're gonna fill all this. You're gonna open a 100k account and you're gonna click on accept and you're gonna click on next. Now that you have the program to place the orders, now you're gonna download TradingView. Download TradingView, you're just gonna come here, download for Windows, and you will automatically install. TradingView is the program where you literally can see the charts and can do your analysis to then on the MetaTrader place your order. Now we have the broker, we have the TradingView. Now you're gonna choose one pair and it will be the only pair that you're gonna be looking for 3-4 months. So now we just need to set up like the time frame. This is important: 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 5, 3, 1. Okay, this is the only things that you're gonna look for now. Now you choose one pair and now we're gonna choose one session. Okay, this is a little trick, guys, that's gonna help you a lot. Go to indicators and search Sessions looks algo and just click on this session right here. If you guys live on Europe, just copy my time zone, but if you guys live in another part of the world, just change the hours to the session and also the UTC, which UTC you are. After that, you're gonna click on sessions and it will appear all the sessions for you, easy to see. See Asia, London, New York, London, Asia, New York. For example, I'm big on London, but also I take trades on New York. So, and when the volume comes, when you need to trade is in the 3 first hours after session open. Only trade on the 3 first hours after session open. So we have this, and at the beginning try to lose maximum 2% per day. Okay, you can take one trade on London, one trade on New York, but since the beginning you need to create the habit, you need to create the psychology to don't overtrade, don't place a lot of trades, bro. Just place one trade, TP, SL, walk away. Create that habit from the beginning, because this is the thing, bro, that destroy most of the traders. So now you have your life in check, you download the MetaTrader, the TradingView, you choose one pair, you choose one session, you know how much you need to lose, when you need to trade, when to not. So now you are just starting, man. And this is only the beginning, trust me. So now come every day to the session volatility when is the volume the 3 first hours after session open. Say, okay, we are up, we came down, we are up, we came down, we are up, we came down, we are up, we came down. So the most probably thing that can happen right here is that we continue going down. So you place your order and just wait for the TP to be hit or the stop loss. But now you think, oh, this thing I think I'm gonna go up. Okay, you just place your trade, you wait. If it's a stop loss, bro, you do like this. You close the chart. You close the chart. And when it's the next session, you come at the session open and you say, okay, we had a big drop on London, so the more probability thing that happen is that we're gonna continue down. You place your order, you put your stop loss, you put your TP 1, 2, 3, and you're just gonna wait. TP being hit. You close the chart. The same shit. The third step, the third important step, set the losses and step away if it's TP or if it's stop loss, bro. I'm gonna remark this because this is so important, guys. You have no idea, bro. Listen me, bro. For real, listen me, bro. Never revenge trade in the same session. Take one trade. And the next step is learn a profitable strategy. Why you don't should learn a profitable strategy at the beginning? Because at the beginning you need to have another focus. Of course you need to learn some things, of course, but the third thing you need to know is life in check. You need to have the programs, the session, learn to control your psychology and accept the losses, TP or SL. This is gonna be the first thing you guys need to learn. After you guys manage all this, you're gonna learn a profitable strategy. I have my own. If you want to learn, the link is on my IG. But anyways, you have a lot of videos on YouTube. Learn one strategy and stick to that strategy forever. All the strategies work. The thing is that you need to control all these things first, for then the strategy works for you. And after you have all this together, just stay consistent, don't give up, rinse and repeat. It's not complication. I mean, it's hard, but the more you focus on your psychology, the more you put the work, the more time you have on the charts, the sooner you will be profitable, bro. The big thing is don't give up and follow me for more content.